Hello everyone. Stop using these basic English words. Try this. Very good. Awesome. This movie was awesome. I'm tired. Exhausted. I'm exhausted after work. I don't know. Beat me. Where is Alex? Beat me. Wait. Hold up. Hold up. I forgot my phone. Calm down. Chill out. Chill out. Let's meet. Hang out. Let's hang out later. I understand. Got it. Got it. Goodbye. See ya. See ya tomorrow. I'm busy. I'm swamped. I'm swamped today. Very hungry. Starving. I am starving. Very cold. Freezing. It's freezing outside. Very funny. Hilarious. That was hilarious. Very small. Tiny. It's tiny. Very big. Huge. That house is huge. I'm scared. Terrified. I'm terrified. I'm happy. Thrilled. I am thrilled. I am sad. Devastated. I am devastated. Be quiet. Keep it down. Keep it down. Hurry up. Chop, chop. Chop, chop. I'm confused. I am lost. I am lost. I'm joking. I am kidding. I am kidding. Maybe. Perhaps. Perhaps we can go tomorrow. Leave me alone. Back off. Back off, please. Now relax. Take it easy. Take it easy. Everything is fine. I'm ready. I'm all set. I'm all set. Let's go. It's easy. Piece of cake. The test was a piece of cake. It's difficult. It's tough. The game is tough. I'm surprised. No way. No way. That's amazing. Let's go. Let's head out. It's late. Let's head out. I'm thinking. I'm considering it. I'm considering it. I'm nervous. I'm freaking out. I'm freaking out before the exam. I'm lucky. I got lucky. I got lucky this time. I'm broke. I'm out of money. I can't buy it. I'm out of money. Now I'm leaving. I'm heading out. I'm heading out now. I'm excited, pumped. I'm pumped for tonight. I'm relaxing, chilling. I'm just chilling at home. I'm bored of my mind. I'm bored out of my mind. I'm angry. I'm upset. I'm upset about what happened. Be careful. Watch out. Watch out. A car is coming. Now quiz time. Very good. Awesome. Repeat after me. I'm tired. Exhausted. And now last quiz. Very hungry. Starving. Thank you everyone. See you next video.